My name's Marion Forgan. I'm a subject leader in business and accounting at Perth College. I was selling a property with my sister at 10 Lomond Drive, Carnoustie. We decided to use McEwan Fraser because we wanted to sell the house quickly. It was a family estate that we were dealing with, and we didn't want it to linger on the market for too long. We didn't use any other estate agent. We went straight to McEwan Fraser. When the valuer came out, he was very efficient. He could see great potential in the house and was able to describe to us the potential that he could see. He gave us full details about the pricing. Everything was clear cut about the pricing. We knew it was going to be expensive, and it was very expensive, but the positive side for us was that the house sold within 2 to 2.5 weeks, and it sold for a good bit more than the home report. The website is excellent. You log into your account on the website and you can track everything that's going on a day-to-day basis. My sister thought it was better than Facebook for keeping you informed. At the end of the day, we sold the house within 2.5 weeks, and we were really pleased with the service that we got from McEwan Fraser. It was expensive, but we met our aim of selling the house quickly.
McEwan Fraser Legal, raising new standards in estate agency.